What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2019 Maserati Levante Trofeo. Let's put this in sport mode before starting it up to get that exhaust opened. So this Maserati Levante Trofeo has a 3.8 liter twin turbocharged Ferrari derived V8 with 590 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this vehicle can do 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. So this is the launch edition, and this one's finished in a very rare color. It is Giallo Modenese. It is a launch edition color, but we'll take a look at that in a second. The Levante Trofeo is the most powerful Maserati Levante ever made. Even the Quattroporte Trofeo and Ghibli Trofeo also were the most powerful variants of those cars too. But yeah, this Ferrari Drive V8 is pretty cool. Reverse camera, 360 view. You also have metal shift paddles. I really like these in Maseratis. And you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, and Sport and Corsa mode. We're gonna drive in Corsa mode. Let's see how to turn that on. We'll figure that out in a second. You also have an air suspension. You have Bowers & Wilkins audio, which is pretty cool. You have dry carbon fiber interior trim. You have a panoramic sunroof, and the seats say Trofeo on them, which is cool. You have diamond stitching and yellow stitching throughout the interior as well. It's pretty nice. Let's walk around it. You have Trofeo floor mats, and this Giallo Modenese is pretty cool. Yellow brake calipers. This car definitely stands out. It's a pretty eye-catching color. And here are the rear seats in this vehicle. You also have AC vents for the rear passengers. Quad outlet exhaust. You also have a carbon fiber diffuser. Here's the trunk. And also on the little Maserati emblems on the back here, it also says Trofeo, so you'll know you're looking at a Trofeo and not a GTS or a regular Levante. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. Trying to figure out how to get this thing in Corsa mode. Can't figure that out. There you go. You have to hold the button. You'll find like Corsa mode and Lamborghini Urus too. Yeah, this is definitely a pretty serious Italian SUV for sure. So like, if you're a frequent viewer of my channel and seen some of my videos, I'm not a big fan of Maseratis, but higher trim Maseratis with great power like this one and the good options I do like. Like this one, it's fully loaded. Like this one had like an MSRP of like over 150 grand, so you can expect it to be pretty good. Yeah, this thing's pretty fast. And that V8 sounds great too. So like the regular Levante has like a base model Levante, the interior is not very nice, but this Trofeo obviously, and the GTS and the Trofeo have Bowers & Wilkins Alcantara headliner stitching throughout, so it looks pretty good. Like this is a big improvement obviously over a regular Levante. And I love the shift paddles in Maseratis. They're really, really nice. Look how satisfying it is to pull the paddles. Love it. I've never seen this color in person before. I've never seen a Levante Trofeo in this color. I do know like they had like the Levante F Tributo, which had a yellow color. I don't think it's the same as this. So yeah, I think this was just for the launch edition Trofeo models. This is a pretty rare car. I don't really see Levante Trofeos in general. God, that's crazy. This thing's pretty insane. Wow. Saw the blind spot alert turn on there, which is good. Yeah, this thing just has limitless power. I mean, 590 horsepower is pretty insane. So that's pretty cool. If you hold down the minus paddle, not all cars do this. This will gear hunt for the lowest available gear, which is pretty cool. Let's put this in a regular sport mode now, and then just go for a chill drive for the rest of the drive. You probably don't want to be in Corsa mode the whole time, you know what I mean? And I love how they're column mounted shift paddles and not like attached to the steering wheel. I love column mounted paddles because you always know where the paddles are. Like, you don't have to be like searching for it. And they just look a lot cooler and feel a lot nicer, especially when they're made of metal like this one. That's awesome. But overall, this is a really nice Levante. If you want a Maserati Levante, you can pick up a Trofeo or a Levante GTS, which both had this twin turbocharged V8 for a massive discount off of MSRP. Because like MSRP was well over 150K, as I mentioned, but like you could pick these up for way less than that now. So if you get one with a nice warranty, you can have a cool car to drive around in every day, which you're not going to see all that often. I can bet I'm not going to see another Giallo Modenese Levante Trofeo driving on the streets anytime soon. This is not a very common car, as I mentioned. Definitely very fun to drive. That's fun. This is one of the best Maseratis I've driven, that's for sure. I really, really like this car. And you know, Bowers & Wilkins is a phenomenal sound system, so that's really good that this car has it. But as I said, this thing literally has like a very good transmission, very responsive, as you can see that. And all Maseratis, even the V6s, sound really good. So Maserati knows how to make a good sounding car. But you know that a Ferrari derived V8 is gonna sound insane. And this one definitely sounds really, really good. When we come to a stop, I will rev up the car so you guys can hear that. Look at that. You just put your foot down and this thing will fly. And the Q4 all-wheel drive system is pretty good as well. parking sensors coming into effect there. But let's hear this engine or exhaust. Yeah, it sounds pretty awesome. But overall, really cool Maserati Levante Trofeo launch edition right here. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for rare performance SUVs like this one.